Hi, I'm Tom.
And I'm JJ.
And we're Tom Hutchinson Design.
We're based in York in the north of England, and we're passionate about UK craftsmanship, quality materials and thoughtful design. We think our Obtineo storage jars showcase the best of all these qualities. Every component of Obtineo is handmade in the UK by skilled craftsmen using traditional manufacturing methods. The scooped wooden lids are cut from solid ash and then turned by hand on a lathe. We sand and finish each lid before branding it with our logo.
Obtineo's felt strip is produced by one of Britain's few remaining felt factories. The raw material, 100% wool, is transformed using a centuries-old method and then cut by hand. The result is the high quality, beautiful and natural material that you see on Obtineo. We're really excited to be working with a great glassworks, the last of its kind in the UK, who can trace their roots back to 1612. Our glass is hand blown and designed to fit neatly into the curve of the wooden lid. There are 4 different products in our range. The Obtineo print, which is limited to 100 copies illustrating all the components used to make up the Obtineo storage jars. The Obtineo dish, a simple solution to keep desktops clear from clutter. The Obtineo vase, a great way to add a stylish finish to your home. And the Obtineo storage containers, which is at the heart of the Obtineo range. These stackable storage solutions are available in 3 sizes. The glass is dishwasher safe, and as the felt is 100% wool, it is naturally water resistant. We are ready to manufacture as soon as we have reached our goal.
We have various rewards in our Obtineo range, and you can be the first to be a part of it. Raising our goal will enable us to buy the cast iron mould needed for the glass production and will let us meet the minimum order quantities for the glass, wood, felt and packaging.
Thank you so much for your support, for pledging and sharing. We really couldn't do this without your help.
And we hope you love the Obtineo range as much as we do.